Hello guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. In today's video, we would like to show you the digital products to sell on Etsy 2024. As you can see in Etsy, there are multiple types of products that are digital that you could actually sell in Etsy and get a lot of money. One of great examples are work planner or like different types of planners. So if you search in Etsy planners, you will be able to find and see hundreds of different planners that are currently being sold in Etsy. As you can see here, these are just one of the many examples of digital products. Aside from planners, there's also maybe digital designs that you could take advantage of. As you can see here, people also sell digital prints, digital designs. As you can see, although the hassle or the most difficult thing about selling digital products in Etsy is that the content that you should be making should be very unique, should be outstanding, and should be very contentful. So you can't just make a single page design and try to sell that and expect that you will be able to get a lot of money. But what you need to do is, for example, over here, you need to create hundreds of different pages and as much or as many pages as you can, and you will be able to start selling those type of things. And as you can see here, you will be able to create things like this one that we are viewing at now. There are different platforms that you could take advantage of. For example, this digital product utilizes Google Sheets for their designs. As you can see, the main thing or the main app or the main feature of their digital product is being utilized inside of Google Sheet. But with the design just like this one, they are take advantage of Canva. You could also start selling ebooks in Etsy because ebook is a digital products, and those are some things that you will be able to do as well. And one of the products, or rather one of the platforms that can do majority of all of these things all in one things is Canva. And in Canva, you will be able to do all sorts of different projects such as presentations, social media, videos, websites, and many, many more. And so you could actually use Canva to start creating digital designs. So for example, let's look for a decent digital product right here. So let's actually search digital products right away, just like this. And let's look for one that we could use as our idea or like as our inspiration. Now, either copying an entire product in its entirety is bad, and that's not something you should be doing. But I think using it as or using the design as an inspiration or like an idea to create your own design is okay. So for example, maybe like a digital bundle over here, a digital planner. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to Canva and search digital planner or whatever digital product that you decide to do, because in Canva there's all sorts of planners available over here. And as you can see, there's a lot of templates over here. So what I would suggest is that you look for one that you like the most. So for example, I really like this design over here, so we're going to open it and customize this template. Now, of course, this is created by someone. It is added and created by someone, so this is not something that we should be selling. So what we will be doing is we will be modifying different sections of this. So for example, the colors or the fonts or the specific sections that are being handled over here should be changed, but the design, you can keep it and use it as an inspiration. So for example, you could add some flowers. Click on graphics, and we will be able to add some simple flowers just like this one all over the page. So maybe we could put it there, put it over here, put it over here, and those things. And you could add other things as well. So for example, instead of a daily planner, we could start our page with something different. So maybe watch list. It all depends on your idea, your logic on what type of digital product you're trying to sell. And then you have here your date. Maybe you could add another section over here. So instead of just it being date, we could have something over here below. Maybe instead of date, we could have a time or like a person's name. Over here, subject, something like that. And everything in the design or the template is movable or modifiable. So as you can see here, stuff like that can be modified, stuff like this can be modified, this can be modified. All of it in its entirety can be modified. So you have a lot of creative freedom on being able to modify specific sections of a digital product. And then you could also take advantage of the different elements available over here, wherein you will be able to change or add anything that you want to add into your designs. For example, I would like to add a circle section over here that would focus on emotions of the day. So for example, you could put it here, emotion. There we go. Then you could add some effects, maybe some curvature over here, make some very simple curves just like this one, that put it over here at the bottom, just like that. So the purpose of this section is that the user would be putting what they are feeling while doing their watch list, different priorities, or like accomplishing the different tasks that they do. You could put some emotions over here. There's a lot of different things that you will be able to add. And the idea of what I'm seeing here, like the digital planner, is just one of the many things that you will be able to do with digital planners. You could take advantage of a simple search such as digital products so that you will be able to find and identify what kind of things are being identified right now, what kind of products are being created and sold in Etsy. So let's explore over here. So we could see that there are templates over here, planners, journals. As you can see, like I mentioned earlier, when you're selling something, it should be a lot of pages. So for example, this has like more than 7,000 pages. I know it's going to be a lot of effort and a lot of work to be able to create a lot of pages, just like what this is doing. But with a lot of effort, you will be able to get a lot of return. So for example, this one, digital bundle, this one focuses on different planners, and it actually costs 600 pesos over here, and people have already bought it, so it is earning. So you don't need, or you could either go with the approach where you sell a lot of templates, a lot of pages, a lot of content, or you could also focus on quality instead of quantity, where you could put as much or as proper, or just create something amazing. Put your heart into it, create the amazing designs that you can, put your creativity up to work, think of what you as a user might want to put into the design, and use and take advantage of Canva's ability to be able to design anything and create anything. And if you're done with Canva, you can easily click on share on the top right and download it as any file type that you want, and then you could easily upload it in Etsy to be sold. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.